doing, Didi? I am doing falafel balls. Very easy to make. Okay. Hi friends. Today I am going to make falafel balls. First, soak white chana overnight. It should be soaked at overnight and dry it as well. First, we have to make mixture. Add 1 onion, coriander leaves, 1 green chili, garlic. Add 2 tablespoons maida, salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, coriander powder. If you want more spicy, you can add chili powder. Grind nicely. Add baking soda, lemon juice, add red chili flakes, mix nicely. Now let's make falafel ball. We can make it falafel.